got a fresh paint job, that's for sure. Look at that, he's all shiny.
Yeah, he got rebuilt. I bet he was rebuilt this year. Was he rebuilt this year, or was he
Either that
rebuilt?
or he's brand new, because he sure is shiny.
No, I looked it up online, and they actually rebuilt him. He was originally built in the early 2000s, fail.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
KNG. No, KNO, I think is what that says. Buster Bagos. Daylights through phase purple 2. What does that mean?
Random graffiti words?
But I need to know what these graffiti words mean.
You'd have to ask the person that wrote it.
Time to and something, not a knife.
There goes the fuel truck.
Pale. What does the word pale mean? P-A-L-E.
Pale is like when somebody doesn't have very much color in their skin and they look pale.
Maya. Well, me, this world, Maya, more. Ether.
That's kind of a colorful one.
That one. Chicken, 11:20. Quick stop. Runaway train, quick stop.
Is that what it said?
TRU. Does this mean this train is a runaway train, Jello? Enter. Tiffy, is this a runaway train?
No, it's not a runaway train.
Reaps.
It's a grain train.
It's a runaway grain train. 2023. Train Skilla something 2023. I don't know what that says. BWC. What's BWC short for?
I think it said it right next to it, but it's too small.
Corta. Whoa!
Those look like newer hoppers.
Why aren't they graffitied yet?
They look almost brand new.
I bet they're gonna get graffiti tomorrow.
Yeah, it probably won't take long.
Or they might get graffiti just a millisecond from now.
Next time they're at a yard, probably.
Probably when they're at the Des Moines yard, they'll graffiti them, Timothy.
Who knows?
RLC Wall C4K. RDC, what's RDC short for?
I don't know.
I need to know what all these words are short for. Suck it! What does suck it mean? Is that someone's name? What'd you say?
We have a top speed of 19 miles an hour.
105 cars and 3 engines.